understand.
Prada.
Hey guys, look, this is how you have a black picnic, yeah?
Tell my rival, are we still a win? Whoa, are we still a win? We still a win, we still a win. Are we still a win?
Diamonds all over my body, shining all over my body. Cardi got your bitch on Molly. Bitch, you ain't gang, you lame. Billy truck laying the lane, blow up the brain. I go insane. I drop a check on the chain. Fuck up a
I am sweating like a pig. Whew. I know that, so my little arm hair ain't even trimmed properly in them things. What little that? I let it grow out because I ain't got no one in England to be skinning out to. This Grace Malika, so bad. Look at that, MiJulsz, beautiful scenery. Absolutely beautiful. There's Malika, supermodel. She's going to sit right in the sun. She wants her melanin to be popping. Oh, the sun's gone.
Too much cloud anyway for it to be that hot.
Oh, it actually feels quite cool down here, you know. Okay guys, look, this is how you have a black picnic, yeah? A Caribbean picnic. So Malika went to go get the bargain bucket from KFC, got the hot wings, got the hard dough bread up in here. She bought obviously the sheets and then
the bed sheet.
Right? She got the plastic plates.
Yeah.
Malika came prepared.
I'm joking.
Good pics. Cause what I've learned with life here, you guys.
Can you get some more drinks?
MiJulsz, yeah. They are in the Regents Park.
I got the KFC.
My busting Malika, we're just chilling, holding the vibes one time, talking, conversing.
I got chicken and I got 5 wings. I thought I got 5 heads of wings, but I got 5 singles.
So yeah, just talking about guys, relationships. Just had a LOL, my nose. Okay.
Where are you?
Just had like a big old glass.
Oh, hey, yeah. So,
with drinks. Malika fried some plantain, and let me tell you, the plantain them bad.
During you
the
sit
plantain them
bad. With the tarmac. You through that road, and you sit entrance to the park. If you continue going
plantain
straight,
them bad.
straight.
No, mad.
And you'll see it.
You know what?
Keep going.
Can't wait to like get down in the food though.
There's one water fountain, the little
I'm hungry,
statue, a little lion.
But levels. You see my back foot?
More,
my back foot looks crusty. And look what I wore. The reason why there's mud in there, I don't know. I think I might have stepped in wet grass. Some bullshit. Yeah.
I'm hungry to blow them.
Yes, we're all hungry to ask hearts. Look at her all relaxing. Super modeling them things there, yes.
I'm trying, but
sure. The sun is doing you justice though. Beautiful. Oh yes, hold it darling, don't move. Love it.
With my dirty football.
Please give me credit though, yeah? Taken back to you.
Okay, well, alright.
Oh my god, I feel so bad. We're eating all this food and they're eating apples.
So do you want some? Fucking pay me, mate. People do this, so they're looking at food like raw.
Like these fucking
whenever they're gonna eating their organs.
I find it kind of hard for me to be skinny, you know, because I love food on a different scale. I think I love food like I love dick.
It gets me vexed because in theory I should be more bigger than what I am.
Because you name it.
I eat a lot.
Yeah. Oh yes, girl. Oh, hold it. Go on.
In theory, like I eat a lot, like so I should be.
But if you're just born with fast metabolism, there's nothing you can do.
I've got
maybe you have overactive thyroids. Have you ever checked it out?
I don't know, but I should check for that.
Because Babe has that, so he can't gain shit. Me now, I have underactive. My man.
Does he?
Yeah, so his metabolism is like he'll never gain weight.
Then again, I've slowly gained weight, but I haven't gained the weight that I want. But I eat a lot. I eat breakfast, lunch, and tell me, you see the breakfast I eat?
See, if I did that every day,
That rain.
I'd be a whale.
That rain.
Where?
That was rain that just felt.
What? Never.
Or someone just.
It must be the sprinkle from over there shooting over. Because if it's rain, my camera's gonna get finished.
Well, like, if it rained, it'd be weird because there's no cloud for the rain to come out of.
Right.
Oh, they're lesbians.
Oh, it's 2 females. Oh my god. Oh my god. What is that black man doing with that old black woman in a bikini?
I don't know.
Oh my god, is that his sugar mama? Must be. She's old, you know, Malika. Don't look, because she's looking over here. I don't like chatting people, you know. It looks so bait. Chatting the people them story. Chatting the people them story. Listen, there's a white woman over there, yeah. And she's with a black guy, but the black guy looks fairly young, like my age. And she was in a bikini. I think he's trying to finance her. Sugar mama. Sugar mama shit. That is. When the rest of the clan get here, I'll turn on this. I'm gonna go gossip with Mel. So, I'll catch you later. Catch you later. Catch you later. It's Montana. I can't even see you. Hold on. It's Montana. Yes, looking all juicy, big batty and that. Oh, and that's her other half. Right. And there's Malika. And oh, they bought the Jack Daniels. Oh shit, we about to get lit up in this. Can't go home when you're walking in a zigzag like that. Water.
And butter.
And, oh god, look, the butter.
Can't forget clover, you know.
The butter for the hard dough bread. Where's the hard dough bread?
Sorry, Elaine.
The hard dough bread.
I couldn't find the white one.
Coronas.
Only a real man can rock it.
That's right.
Loving it, loving
And I bought
it.
some fizzy drink if you want it. I bought this thing.
Yes.
Real things.
The fish shoots are warm as well. These are cold.
What's this one?
No, that's a cool.
Yeah, put that in
Good
there.
old barbecue. Picnic, but barbecue. Listen to me though. Picnic. Yes, ma'am. About to stuff our face, as the English would say. Oh, hay fever?
I took my pills.
Everyone got hay fever.
So I bought everything. I bought eye drops, nose spray.
Mate, I bought the...
I spent £80 yesterday on
My eyebrow.
Your eyebrow, you know.
But yeah, if my eyebrow come off, I'll be walking home looking a bit harder.
from West Green Road.
Yes, man.
Can't remember the shop's called, but West Green Road.
Is it that green shop?
Yeah, the green shop, the Jamaican colour shop.
Yes.
That one, yeah.
What the pieces?
Montana's gonna be slicing the bread.
You just come down my... You know that's going all the way down my patches now?
Oh
It's
my
not
god.
top, it's a jumpsuit.
And I got this as well.
Bacardi.
Since
Oh,
last
good
day
thing you
there,
dropping
I
me
didn't
home.
finish it.
Why?
I
I
bought
got
the
my own
Carnival last year, I
chauffeur.
didn't finish it.
So wait, yesterday we had a surprise birthday for my friends. And I bought a little bottle and I made that through with half the bottle.
Do you know what? I'm not gonna lie. It burns you when you bring bottles to a party and you don't see it getting finished.
Getting finished, I came back home with the liquid drugs that were left. You think I was leaving that there? I'm taking it, whatever was left. I'm taking it
Actually,
home.
because alcohol's not cheap, especially when you
It's
get
not.
good branded ones. They're
Oh.
not cheap. So it burns you
And that
like when
vanilla.
it's not finished because it's like, right, I can sit at home.
Yeah, I'm like, if that's done, I'm taking it home. Leaving my alcohol in your house. And if you don't get open, I'm gone with that as well.
You remember my auntie? That's exactly how my auntie says.
If you don't open it, I'm leaving back with it.
My mom will cost you like, what should I go with my alcohol? She bought that for me. Why are you taking it back?
No, I bought it to contribute. If you didn't open it, that's not my gift.
That's like my auntie. No matter what she buys, she could buy like the simplest of drinks. She's taking it back home. Wine. Thinking why? But the thing is, she's sneaky, does it? You see it on the table, and you turn back around, it's gone.
Mate, it's in my hand. But it's in my hand when I'm walking out. Unless I bought it and I gave it to you. If I just put it on the table, I'm gone with it.
No,
If
but
I
she'll
gave
present it to
as
you.
Something.
She put like it's like a gift.
Yeah.
But if you don't get open, believe you, by the end of the night, it's gone. And everyone's thinking, where's the alcohol gone? Yeah, auntie took it back home. And when you go to her house, it's on her day, but now it's presented on thinking damn teeth.
Yes.
Look, we've got the blue party cups, we've got the straws, we've got the ginger beer, we've got the cherries. Oh boy, this is a proper black picnic, you know. Let me zoom into their picnic and see what they have. Literally, innit?
Yeah, I should have got
Pepper
some
prawns and rice and peas, man.
That move now. I want to see what they have in their picnic. The zoom is so good in this camera, you know. We don't even have nothing over there.
Somebody going out when we were coming in, I went 2 girls in Tesco. I said, yeah, man.
Coffee tea.
Don't repeat it, you know.
That sounds so stupid. Coffee tea. It's coffee.
It's coffee tea. That's what country people say. Coffee tea. Old people, yeah. Coffee tea. And they don't use milk, you know. It's condensed milk.
Ooh, in coffee. That must be well sweet.
You don't use a lot of that.
Oh. I want to try cocoa tea.
Everyone, huh?
I want to try cocoa tea.
I love.
That's made from proper cocoa.
Yeah. Chocolate tea on Sunday morning. It's
Yeah,
nice.
from the mountains.
You boil it up. Oh, you're making me miss it, man.
This patch of grass is nicer.
You're making me miss it.
Ain't no dog shit.
Jamaica is so nice. If I had money, I'm supposed to go back home one time. Build a house first, actually.
Huh?
Yep.
Then go back home.
Build a house, buy an apartment, rent it out.
Yes. That income
Get some money.
coming in.
Yeah.
Jamaica is beautiful, you know. You wake up bright. England, sometimes you feel so damn depressed when you wake up.
Yep.
It's just dark. It's just dark.
This morning.
You're not leave me yet.
This morning.
Yeah, go back, man.
But you two can go back together though, innit?
Yeah. The only thing England has to offer people right now is just opportunities. That's it. There's nothing else keeping people here.
Is it yours? No, it's mine. I'll just leave it.
No, yours. I was looking at that free.
L-O. Fucking L. Look at your hat. What a nice lamb. Woo.
I can't. I really can't.
Lie? I need to go tiddle.
I'm gonna. You can get to. I want to piss in the cup.
Why don't you just piss out? Why would you piss in a cup? Why don't you just piss?
It's not classy, like.
Piss it out. What?
I got a skirt on.
Skin out, Malika, skin out. Look at her. Are you going to piss in a cup? One girl, one cup, yeah? Woo! That was so vile, that one girl, 2 cups. Go on, hey, whoa, my girl. Etakano.
Just why she wrapped it around
Your
her?
friend, mate.
You knew her first. You knew her first. Okay.
I'm so done. That is James's wife, you know. I'm just done.
Prada.
Where's the one that you did again?
In the box. Yeah, it's pretty bad though.
Why?
None of those days.
How long did it take to do it?
These are, you know, between like 1 and 2.
Ooh,
That's pretty bad. I think that's good.
that's nice.
Yeah.
That painting is off that fountain. Right there. Well done. Do you sell them? Okay, how much do you sell them for?
It depends. These are the ones about, you know, £500 or £600.
Oh wow, beautiful. Keep, yeah. Well, see ya. Bye bye.